Want to know the steps to buy a house before you run out and do it? Good thinking. When we come back, we're going to go through the entire home buying process. Plus, I'm going to introduce you to my moving kit program, which is designed to save you thousands when you buy your next home. So stay tuned for that when we come back. Hey everybody, I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty. And every Thursday, right here on YouTube, I'm answering your real estate questions. So if you're beginning the home buying process or about to begin it, I would recommend that you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and that way I can let you know when my next video is out next Thursday. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to talk to you about the moving kit program, which we've just rolled out. You are going to love it. It is designed to save you thousands. But first, let's get to the 11 steps of the home buying process. Step number one is simply the decision to buy. You've got to make this a solid decision, because if it's not, you could waffle right in the middle of the entire process, and you don't want to do that. You want to make sure that this is the right time for you to buy. Steps number 2 and 3 are find the right agent and begin the pre-approval process. Step 4 is start your home search online. Step number 5 is showings. Time to go see homes. Step number 6 is make an offer. Once you've found that home you've been dreaming of, it's time to step out in faith, trust your agent, and make an offer. Now, step number 7 is the home inspection process. Now, a lot of times when it's not handled right, the wheels can fall off very quickly and the whole deal can go south if the agent isn't handling it properly. But here on my team, we love the home inspection process. That's because it gives us the chance to go to bat for you one more time. It gives us the chance to better the deal, make it even sweeter than it was when you signed the original contract. So I've got a video just for the home inspection process that you can check out later. Step number 8 is do what you got to do to get full loan approval. Step number 9 is the final walkthrough. That's when we go back to the house, make sure everything's in good order before you go on to step number 10 when you sign the loan documents. And then the final step is move-in day. That's step number 11. Now, I've got a video for each and every one of these steps, but before I go, I wanted to talk to you really quickly about Moving Kit. You can go to the link below and check out all the details on Moving Kit. You are going to love it. It's designed to save you thousands. So go check that out right now. Make sure to sign up for Moving Kit and save yourself thousands of dollars when you buy your next home.